What's up, guys? It's Obekes and I'm here with...
Okay, I know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finally, Komana Budita.
Yeah, the long-awaited album, man.
Yeah, I've been waiting, but sorry for the delay. But yeah. So let's get straight into the album. So first song. Oh, this is the first song. VOLTZ. BAGGA. INE BASA REI. Yeah.
This is an interesting collab, though.
Very interesting.
VOLTZ is saying BAGGA is my favorite artist at the moment.
That's what he said.
Saka
vatungoti ngatingompinze maalbum.
INE BASA REI.
INE BASA REI. Okay, so let's see. Ndikatinzoti vakomana vari kuti chi because ese vari kupisa
guys, this album should be slapping, guys.
Very.
But mirror teams.
Tozopa
my judgment
at the end. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get straight into the song. Like, share, subscribe to my best channel. Yes, sir. And comment down below what's your favorite song in the album.
Can I top 5 here?
Top 5, yeah. It's up to you. So say do tonight. But yeah, let's get it.
Hey, 1 2 1 2 VOLTZ GT. Hey, under, yeah. INE BASA REI, BASA REI. Mariacho INE BASA REI, INE BASA REI, BASA REI. Mariacho INE BASA REI, INE BASA REI. Maricina noya life sina meaning. INE BASA REI bo Maria tongo fira. Life sina meaning. Hey, yeah. Kanya kutasa kugara INE BASA REI. Yakusiya uchirwara INE BASA REI. Yakukanyisa nehama INE BASA REI. Hey, INE BASA REI kumari nezvipande hainake. Masikati ndiwe mambo but usiku haurari.
But it's facts, though.
Very. Oh, saka INE BASA REI is talking about the money.
INE BASA REI.
INE BASA REI.
At the end of the day, guys, what was funga off?
Inanguka. Ndopaya panonzanzi what inonzi chiko yekutanzi happiness or what?
Does money buy happiness?
Exactly. At the moment, guys. Zvaizvezvi mari hayo iri kutotenga happiness. Let's facts. Let's be honest, guys.
So Mari
with this situation in Zim right now, I'm telling you.
Zautopikisa namachizo utoti mari nebasa.
Saka iwe ushandiriwo right kana chinzi mari nebasa. Uendere basa.
Oh, no. Get it from this sense. Yes, to some extent in basa. But aufana uzosvika extend yoti
iri more important than other things.
You're losing sleep over it.
Okay.
Yeah. Kuti hanzi chiva waita sei hanzi yakutadza kurara yakukanyisa nehama.
Okay.
Why is it?
I get it.
Get money. What legally? Of course. Legally and then of course mari ufana washandira, but
hey,
I get you to some extent,
because you remember zvambotara musong this usually Nyasha David, yeah, Garancha what kuti pay what Isugwani and stuff, chichi, so you have to work hard to get more money so that you can manage all things.
One bad. But I was really INE BASA REI kuti no, it's hard to explain, but then
INE BASA REI marriage. I don't know. No,
I think what he's saying is yes, money is important, but why was it made important in the first place?
Okay.
Maybe that
INE BASA. Okay. Saka it seems like after among my reasons why yakazitwa more important.
I think so. Pamwe. I mean, okay.
Anyways, comment down below. Sorry.
But personally,
yeah,
I would say if it comes to it's just like if you're talking about love and money.
Okay.
And let's put love and money.
Love and money.
What do
okay.
you prioritize?
Love and money.
There's a love and money now.
Right. Guys.
The fact that you're thinking about it. Why are you thinking about it?
Guys, it depends.
Okay, all right, can you have love without money?
Wow. Right, it depends. Love love kunani.
Okay, can you live with love alone and just money? Or can you live with money alone and not love?
No, the guys. It's 50-50.
Let's
just say 50-50. It's a question. I can't answer that.
But remember, at the end of the day,
anyways, yeah,
happiness.
You know,
happiness.
Let's be honest. Never been on my heart. Anyways, let's go. Let's hear.
Bande ainake maskati ndiwe mambo but usiku haurari pfuma pano pasi unzi denga haubai wana mangwana nochimuka usisiko begra waishanda takufanidza mariro machiza waichupa navo keshi avako kune hama dzakafinyamisa fesi vakatsamwa kozi namwe ine nharo weunoziketa wakakura uinayo uri main puwa chero mari uinayo kozi wewokuda happiness zvauchaita uchatanga kutsvaga mari first next thing uchatanga kuita
Okay.
You remain poor chero mari unayo.
Okay.
Because you're looking for happiness.
I get it.
You can have money, wait a minute, me this
I get it. Okay.
But although
I'm speaking facts. Hey.
Oh, he's speaking from a point here mono anikamari kake.
Okay.
But any difference, man.
And also
obvious chikwira kombe unonga uchiti but fuck powder benza.
Then next thing akuti ndauda property.
But wazosvika kwese ukubva wati but all the sacrifices that I made, was it worth it?
Yeah, I get it.
All the relationships that I ruined back then, was it worth it now that I'm living in a mansion mandiri one?
Right. I think you love the money as make a sense now.
Ungaite 15 maroom.
I love No, I love very, very important.
Wakangani is a family watu chika matais yes.
I love very, very.
Osana mune kufonera na boys kwanza kudama cause waiwa dama usina mari.
I get it.
Uchiti ndikutsvaka mari.
I get it. Yeah, I get it.
Yes, shameless, wakubvisa ganda rekufesi. And for the prize, one hope as the enemies. Jama enemies. But then again, INE BASA REI. Yeah. Mari yacho INE BASA REI. INE BASA REI. Yeah. Mari yacho INE BASA REI. Mari sina peace. Mari noya easy. Life is in a meaning. INE BASA REI go mari atongo feel. Life is in a peace. Life is in a meaning. Bibi yangu yakwira. Meno chandombo kutatira. Losingalanda winzi zandiwandira. Pressure.
Bagga.
This is not helping the situation. Bagga,
why?
This is not helping the situation.
Why,
Bagga? It is not helping the situation.
And I rusungirwe. Asi yanye stress again.
Ngatiende umadractice now.
Sasa nguma.
Ngatiende ndazikuma. That was Bagga. Mamjunda hangu chila kangochila. Ingoma
okay. Ndotika ndinginda mwati.
Bana.
Anyways. Okay, Bagga. Let's hear Bagga.
Maria joile basari. No teme samsoro. Ya
chikoro saka ine basa rei imani yeresa usori nokutemesa usina hana inokuendesa usina hama toro hale yangana saka uzazokangana palopana basi anitazotora mari nemaprevious takabva kupopasipasi takabva mabhuku tafara gazepu ekukasikasi komamandi vanonwa vashandi asi vanoda pikoni tora mari kwedu lochikoni saka kana uri geva usati pechikoni geva
ine basa rei mari yacho ine basa rei ine basa rei mari yacho ine basa rei mari sina peace mari noya easy life isina meaning ine basa rei ko mari atongofira life isina peace life isina meaning hey.
Oh, that was a nice one.
I think from this song
You do this one day.
yeah
ngoma pinging again.
I think it's now up to you to decide what's important.
What's important?
Already in basa.
Guys, listen, let me be honest with you guys. For me, Marine Basa, for me, right? For now,
Maybe those are not
for
maybe,
now at this moment.
Those are not maybe Alutara from his perspective. Same at only my hits again sell out my shows and married.
Anayo. Agagutini Basa Rei. Okay.
Goodbye. But I mean, super two. But at the end of the day, to have a happy life, you need man.
Thank you. But Manji, you have to follow it as in both money and love.
Yes, you need money, but what I think what I was trying to say is you don't have to do just for money.
Okay.
Get money properly. The right way to get money. It is also it does music.
Okay. Yeah, I do have also it as self-control, you know. So, yeah. But yeah, I think that's it for the reaction video, guys. Comment down below. Mangi songs are queer foot.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.